Today, I'm sharing 5 free AI tools that'll make your videos, posts, and designs pop, no tech degree required. Let's jump right in. First up is Google AI Studio, your free creative sidekick powered by Gemini. Need a video script, a killer caption, blog ideas, or even help drafting an email? Just type in what you're looking for and it'll whip up natural sounding text in seconds. Plus, it works in multiple languages and is super beginner friendly. Next, let's talk about visuals with Canva's Magic Studio. This tool is a total game changer for design, especially if you're not a pro designer. With a free plan, you get access to Magic Write for text, Magic Edit for images, and a ton of templates for YouTube, Instagram, and more. Canva's AI can remove backgrounds, generate images from text, and even suggest layouts, so you can drag, drop, and let the AI do the magic. For those working with video and audio, you should definitely check out Descript. This tool makes editing as easy as editing a Word doc. With a free plan, you can transcribe your videos, edit by simply cutting text, and even remove those pesky filler words automatically. It offers screen recording, podcast editing, and even overdub voice cloning. If you want to turn your scripts or blog posts into videos, Pictory is your secret weapon. Just paste your text, and Pictory creates a video complete with stock footage, music, and captions. You can try it for free at Pictory.ai, which comes packed with features like auto captioning, video summarization, and highlights. And our last pick is 11 Labs, a game changer if you want realistic voiceovers without ever having to touch a mic. This free AI voice generator enables you to create natural sounding speech from text, ideal for narrating YouTube videos, audiobooks, or social media content. With the free plan, you get 10,000 credits per month, roughly 10 minutes of high quality speech or 15 minutes of conversational AI, plus the ability to design up to 3 custom voices. It's easy to use, shockingly lifelike, and completely free for non-commercial use, no credit card required. After you try these 5 free tools, you'll be amazed at what's possible without spending a dime. But if you're looking for an all-in-one AI platform that does it all, from research, scripting, and video creation to images, coding, and more, we've got the perfect recommendation. For just $10 a month, you will get access to 24 powerful AI modules, LLMs, in one place, designed to supercharge anything you do online. Whether you're a creator, developer, or entrepreneur, this AI has your back. Click the link in the description to check it out. We've also left links to all the free tools mentioned in this video below, so you can test them out and find your favorites. So there you have it, 5 free AI tools to supercharge your content, whether you're writing, designing, editing, or creating videos. And if you're wondering how these free tools stack up against their paid competitors, click the video on screen now. Free versus paid, 5 free programs that win every time. You might be surprised which ones come out on top. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating smarter, not harder.